Let's start with the Bandai box. You could see that there's the Bandai logo and the HG logo. Now the band box doesn't have the Bandai logo, doesn't have the HG logo. And look, it also says plus support weapons unit. So that means additional parts. Alright, the band. And for the side, you could see that there's no Gunpla logo or HG logo and Chinese characters. And to the other side, they didn't copy. And for the other side, again, Chinese characters for the Daban, and for the Bandai, of course, Japanese characters. And here they copied it except for the logos. The Bandai got the brown box, and the Daban got a white cardboard. And it's hard. For the Bandai, runners are, and for the Daban runners, they're tightly packed together. For the Bandai, only 7 runners, including the PC, and for the Daban, you got some extra runners for. Wow, that's the weapon set, plus a transparent stand. And here's the issue with the band. Lots of extra pegs to trim. And let's check the manual. You could see here there's an extra portion for the weapon. Yeah, the V2 weapons. Oh, that's really nice. They included the V2 weapons. Now I finished building them, and here's a look of the Bandai and the Daban side to side. I won't say which one is the Bandai. Take a guess. And as you can see, the oopsie Bandai fell. Yep, the left side is the Bandai. And same here, the left side is the Bandai. As you could see, the Daban got a darker shade of green, and the Bandai one got the lighter shade of green. Yep, they really look alike. And here is the Bandai with all the accessories and weapons that it comes with. Only 4 beam sabers and a gun and a shield for the core Gundam. Okay, next let's look at the Daban. The Daban comes with the same equipment as the Bandai with an additional V2 weapon set and a transparent stand. Wow, that's really nice. Okay, so let's try transforming this Bandai one. Combine it with the V2 planet system. First, we remove all the parts there, the extra parts. If you want a better video regarding this, you could check Mecha Guy Kotsu's video. Yep, so okay. I'm gonna try to transform it quickly. Yeah, it is really hard to do at first try. Yep, it won't fit in easily. And for the front skirt, you just flip him up. Then and then attach those front skirt armors. And for the back skirt, you just stick it up, stick it in, stick it in. And for the backpack, you just stick it in too. And for the chest armor and the shoulder armor, I'm gonna remove the arms first, so it would be easier. And then some armor for the hands and the shoulders. You could just slide it in there. And then you would detach the hands and add the extension, the added forearms. Yeah. There we have it, a complete Core Gundam plus Veetwo. Alright. It's really solid. That's nice that it could stand on its two legs. Now here, side by side. Again, Bandai is the lighter one and Daban is the darker one. For the viewers who are staying or living in the Philippines, I have a special giveaway. So I will post this video on my Facebook page, pinsanko, and just comment your favorite Gundam and why, and I would choose 2 lucky winners to win a free kit from me. Yeah, free kit. You just need to comment on the video. I hope you would comment, like, and subscribe. For the viewers overseas, I'll also have a giveaway when I reach my 1,000 subscribers. So no worries, I'd still have some giveaway. Now for articulation. You could move the head up and down and then side to side, and you could also move it 360 degrees. Then for the shoulder, you could move it sideways. And then again, you could move the arm 360 degrees because it's a ball joint over there. Then the arm, you could only move it up to 90 degrees because of the armor. And then for the elbows, yep, you could reach up to 90 degrees only. It doesn't have a double joint there. And of course, with the wrist, you could swivel it. Yeah, you could turn it around like that. And for the legs, you could move it sideways fully. And unfortunately, cannot go into full splits. You could move the legs forward, but not backwards. And you also have a knee bed, and it's a double joint there. So you could fold it like that. And as for the ankles, yep, you can move it sideways and you could do a tiptoe. If you are wondering if the Daban weapon system fits into Bandai, the answer is yes. It fits perfectly because basically they're the same. Although the plastic quality of this weapon unit is not that great. Still, looks awesome. Oopsie! Okay, now back to the Daban. I've equipped the Daban with the weapon, and overall I can say that building this was easy compared to the other Daban MG kits that were a pain in the hands. This one was just a bit tight, but it won't hurt your fingers that much. And it's really a bang for your buck, because for roughly around $7 or 348 pesos, you get the core Gundam plus the Veetwo unit and the Veetwo weapon set plus a free transparent stand. Yep, the band did what Bandai cannot give their customers. So it really depends on you if you would buy this Daban. If you're low on budget and you don't mind having a bootleg in your collection, then go for it, since the quality is really good. It's frighteningly good. And if you want to save some time building, I suggest you stick to the Bandai one, because it's easier to build and the fitting is not that tight compared to this Daban. And of course, buying Bandai is always the top priority, because we need to support the designers and the company, so we would get better kits. Okay, so that's my experience with the Daban V2, and I hope you learned something, and of course, keep on building, guys.